Hello guys, today we are going to discuss another problem, LeetCode problem. The problem number is 2894. In this problem defines divisible and non-divisible sum difference. Okay, so what the problem says, you are given positive integer n and m. Okay, we have two integers n and m. Define two integers as num1 and num2 as follows. Num1, the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n that are not divisible by m. Okay. And num2, the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n that are divisible by m. So we have to return the integer num1 minus num2. So what this problem says, we have to define we have to given two integers. One integer is n, and another is m. So we have to initialize these two integers as we have to initialize two integers as num1 and num2. There is some condition, so we have to divide n by m. I mean each value up to 1. If n is equals to 5, so up to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to divide each individual value by m. So if this if the n values are in any values divisible, then we should take it as num1. If it's not divisible, if the value not divisible, then we should take as num2. Okay, let assume num n is equals to 5, then the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here let's take m as m is equals to m as 2. So the divisible values are the not divisible, and num1 is not divisible value. The not divisible values are 1, then 3, then 5, and the divisible values are 2 and 4. So we have to add all this num1. Addition of the num1 should be 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 means 8 plus 1 equals to 9, and the addition of the num2 should be 6. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then we have to return the subtract. Return the num1 minus num2. That could be num1 is 9 minus 6. So the value will be 3. Like that we have to solve the problem. Like that we have to solve the problem. Okay, let's do encoding. So we get two integers n and m. Now we have to solve the problem. First we have to initialize both in num1. We have to we have to do the sum for num1 and num2. So we just initialize as 0, num2 0. Then we have to run a loop for getting the all values of n while n greater than 0. Okay, so now we have to do what? If now n divisible by m, n remainder of, we'll use remainder for getting the getting now is divisible or not. If n divisible is 0, then if divisible n remainder m means if it gives 0 means it is divisible, then we will get the divisible means num2. So the value will be num2 is equals to num2 plus n. Okay, then else what we will do, num1 equals to 1 plus n. Then outside of the else we have to return the num. Then we have n minus minus. Okay, for updating the value, updating the n value, then we have to return what, num1 minus num2. Num1 minus 2. Okay, that's our problem. So let's check it's working or not. Yeah, these all three cases are successfully run. Means this program is running, our code is successfully running. So let's submit it. I thought it will be accept. Yeah, it's accept, and the running time is 2 microseconds, and memory is 6.24 MB. So that's done. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and like the video.